Well Jaib Kinskele. Tá ceapan nach mé meisiúil an macha siúil leis níos journey ní éis san níos sásta lei sin. I don't think I'll be able to go for a walk later, me go an láiste. Láiste soft through. It's heavy enough rain, and you might say tá sé noun. Tá sé noun, meaning it's a downpour. Tá downpour, it's a downpour. Tuairt báistí. Heavy rain. We're about trocht in bit of traffic there. If I saw go an trocht at Illin in Berg, you wouldn't be expecting as much traffic on a small island in Cardan. I bet I'm may harn is on Kuhan Januma. You might see another car now for another 10 minutes. That's Sudan. Shan troi for Naimshire. On the plan they saw the chill. It's a pity about the traffic, a pity about the rain, I should say, but at least the flowers, the plants would be happy there, as you can see. They're flourishing. That flourishach, fashion as fast as keen, as na fatty, as na glass rig, as a kale, as a coil of fast as keen, fresh, and the kale and the potatoes are growing very, very well said yeah. At the last sauce the fish in. Ach ní mar óhásta nach féidir bhfuil macha siúlaid. But I'm not happy that I can't go for a walk. Ní ma fan mo fix my shoelaid fix, my walking fix. This evening I'm more shoelaid, I can't remember these just walking is one of my favourite pastimes actually. This evening I'm smile when my shoe loud and would like I like going for a 30-minute to an hour plus walk. Check a mag on the ancient Chile, I think it's good for the mind. It's I was good calling. Sláinte go for the mind and about híle í tunis cáile that's another car now. Níor se bhad bín iontas ar chuoine go mí méid sin carnaí tíocht tá mai teart ar réile an beg mar seo. A lot of people are surprised about the cars there are. Well, that's cinnte duine. There's over 300 people on the island agus Stein mile ar a máiste freisin when he's smoothína go heart a gar. Also because of the rain, there's probably more people going out in the car than he's more car go hunter than usual. Ceach na mai chéad sé sur go Love-Hate agus mar when my chéad episode an dára séisur. I've seen the first season of Love-Hate and I'm on season 2 now of Love-Hate, and it's tá sé go maith. It's good, but it's a lot more comedy than I thought it was going to be. Cheap me go mas níos daríre. I thought it'd be more serious. Cheap me go mas níos cusa le kin. I thought it was going to be more like kin. Sra television RT, sort mob gang, sra gang fresh and bunny black here. Kin, it's a vanny storacha agus daríre. Kin is a lot darker and serious kind of tone compared to Love-Hate Love-Hate. And Love-Hate and it's a comedy na sílam. It's a lot more kind of comedy really compared to Kin. So that's what I was expecting. Sinní me súla sort mas a Kin. Ach smáilem ní drochro sin ní drochro sin go sort éidrom. A peidir bhfuil na 6 réile rubag níos daríre. Maybe the other seasons are a bit darker or a bit more serious. Peidir níle sam. Ach check on that. Tá sé RT player. It's an RT player. Anyone who's looking to watch something, my ní round the intach on Netflix, no Disney, no Amazon, no mar. There's not that great a selection of stuff out at the moment, newer stuff. Over the nuchan ní ráro intach. There's not that great selection quality. Mar hin do cáile chatalish. That's another car now coming. Jillian is budget. That's who's our motorway. How we on the motorway here? Motorway in the Seer, downtown in the Seer. Downtown in the Seer we are. Mar as I was saying, ní rá intach on this, Fanna me strat in Department Q a journalist Netflix. I just saw my bunny now, but it's based in Scotland. Department Q, kind of crime drama series, and it was okay. It was okay. Yeah, it's good, but not brilliant. Something to watch. Really, there's a Sunday or a slaw crew I go, but after a hard day's work, it's nice to just put something on the telly and relax. And small scale, I like stories, so it's rudi gin sé leannach a récha. Ach, full in Love Hate. I'd recommend Love Hate. Does that níl se iontoch ní ní tú sanna cíine mas ce a hálas is cin chéidir le hálas nó mas kid in se no siú. You won't be kept up at night wondering, what's the next what's going to happen or whatever. Níl channels Breaking Bad, Better Call Saul, or it's not like Breaking Bad where you're kind of actually thinking at night, kind of, or well, I I wonder what's he gonna do, or what's the next big reveal, or what will blah 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 do in this situation, Hank do when he finds out about Walter, or ní bhéin ní léad mar sin well sé hín a récha sé hín Love Hate níor masart níor éon mór mar sin mar smaoinehair tá ach tá se go má. Ach má tá is frádaí eile ag moltaí ag éan bheach sí man banhair má gur a comment ar trocht agus na comments. If you want to leave a comment in the comments here or a recommendation for television shows, I'd be smilem cert ranna a bunny ar Gardaí agus gangs, so like shows based on kind of crime and ganglands and things like that. Those Breaking Bad, Love Hate, Department Q, like said, look bunny sort of cuireacht crimes with immersion. Janíar go éon rud eile rám na ríre, I might leave it there. I have nothing else really to say for lá. Tá mé gghear mé me héin agus má bhean a duna léirhas léirhas séú a hín go Love Hate. So I'm thinking maybe I might be able to get my wife to give her opinions on Love Hate as well. An our dúidir mí a thuairt. We'll be able to give our opinions and a bit of a review, I suppose, our own thoughts. Well, ní san bud léirhas ceart, but not really a proper review, but more kind of just our thoughts. Our dúidir mí Love Hate. So kind of fáilig íach leis sin, keep an eye out on that. But ní sam lá gus na lainta one of the days. Tásúlam. Ní mai le bheith caiinte a gamma. She doesn't like to be talking on the camera. Mar se bet sé deach dúirtí gonne nach sí am cinnte si did say she would she do it. Ach beidir go bhá cum tuine se. We might leave it there, so Tá su mé trúna go deasa agus Tásúlam tá go mé láán an tair that the air will clear, the air will dry up, it will clear, an láán an tair Tásúlam. Se cearlóir sinné mar se slán go fóil.